Okay. So this is the third section. Yeah, ये यार एक third section of this video. Understanding कि okay, what is the strategy that we would be doing when we are starting out from scratch. Let's suppose कि कोई channel है, उसके videos अब तक नहीं बने हुए, we don't have any amount of video that is being done for that particular channel. उसकी strategy decide कैसे करनी है and कैसे हमको content pillars पहले decide करने कौन से होंगे and then क्या क्या चीज़ें mind में रखनी है. Let's suppose कि यार we are starting a channel from very scratch. We don't have any information about कि यार कौन से हमारे ideal client personas होंगे, कौन से हमारे ICPs होंगे, क्या हमारे टारगेट ऑडियंसेस होंगे और क्या कंटेंट पिलर्स वर्क करेंगे. सो कैसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप चीज़ें डिसाइड करनी है वो देखेंगे. तो ओके, फर्स्ट इज कि यार व्हेन स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ज़ीरो, डोंट फिक्स और डोंट फिक्सेट ऑन 1 to 2 कंटेंट पिलर्स. इंस्टेड ट्राई एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग एटलीस्ट 5 to 7, बिकॉज वी वॉन्ट टू मेक श्योर कि यार वी आर एट अ पॉइंट जहाँ पे हमारे पास डेटा है, डेटा अबाउट कि यार विच kind of video is performing well, data about ki what kind of videos are audiences liking, what kind of videos are easier or more frictionless to produce, and everything related to that. So हमको मालूम पड़ेगा. सेकेंड पॉइंट बीइंग, इट इज़ नॉट ओनली अबाउट कि कौन से कंटेंट पिलर्स हम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं बेस्ड ऑन डेटा एंड बेस्ड ऑन द स्टार्ट्स. इट इज़ एट द सेम टाइम इम्पॉर्टेंट कि यार जो क्रिएटर है, what are the strengths of that creator. Let's suppose कि Dana, in this case, what are the strengths of Dana? Now Dana makes sure कि यार in every video that he is creating, the videos are in such a way that जो भी beginners है, वरना people who are just starting out, और जो people who are very much confused कि यार how certain topics are, वरना what do this particular thing means, तो जो बेसिक्स है, लाइक ही हैज़ दिस टेंडेंसी एंड दिस could only be observed when we watch a lot of their videos, when we talk to the client, and when we understand okay, what are their strengths. We have to ask the clients about it. Dana makes it really very simple for people who are not from the golf background, people who are not from the background where people understand कि golf क्या होता है. तो his goal is to make golf so simple that everyone could understand it. जो वो Dana का goal है, right? So basically understanding here what are the strengths of that particular creator, and then exploring and then calibrating according to it. Then we have to make sure ki it is not our job to create videos which only talk about what the brand wants to say. It is not about what the brand wants to say, it is about building content around the audiences which care about. It is always about ki jo audience hai, what the audience would be liking. If the stats is showing that audience is liking this thing, let's suppose this particular type of videos, and हमारे ICPs or target audiences are in places, we have to continue making these type of videos to get these type of results. So it is not about ki what the brand wants to, what their goal is. It is a healthy section goes over there ki understanding what the brand, what the client want, what the brand wants. At the same time, it is important to understand what is the market telling us, what is the audience telling us, right? Then we have to make sure that whenever we are creating content pillars, whenever we are creating content, it should be catering to the ideal client persona. Every video title that we create, every thumbnail that we create, every script that we are writing, ये सब केटर होना चाहिए टू द आइडियल क्लाइंट दैट वी आर टारगेटिंग, जो हमारा टारगेट ऑडियंस है. सो अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि उनके पेन पॉइंट्स क्या होता है. पेन पॉइंट्स फॉर द टारगेट ऑडियंसेस माइट बी, लेट्स सपोज डाना के केस में, फॉर दिस केस इट माइट बी कि यार दे आर वेरी स्केप्टिकल, वरना दे आर वेरी अफ्रेड ऑफ डूइंग द रॉन्ग थिंग्स, एंड दे वॉन्ट टू लर्न वॉट द प्रोज, or they want to learn what the best people or the people who are at a very good position, or what the secrets are. Let's suppose they are very much towards the point of view कि यार जो people at the top or the pros know certain things that I don't, and मेरे को वो सीखना है. That is what their mentality might be. So understanding their problems, what their desires are, and what do they search upon, राइट. ये मैन्युअली ही होगा, आपको लिटरली सर्च करना पड़ेगा कि वॉट आर द थिंग्स दैट ऑडियंसेस नीड, राइट. देन नाउ अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग, राइट. whenever we are having creator clients or any clients for that matter, we have to make sure that we are making it growth focused, because some creators are there, they only want us to create more and more videos that are particularly bringing in more and more views, But there are some creators or some people or some brands, they don't want that much views, or they don't want, they're not heavily focused, or their revenue, the thing that they are like, their earnings are not dependent upon, you know, कि how much they are making purely through YouTube. They have other businesses as well. So they want to have a creative freedom. उनको एक emotional safety चाहिए. उनको चाहिए कि यार creative control. It should not be for them. For them the priority is not about कि यार growth हो रहा है कि नहीं. It is to some extent, but more extent is कि यार am I able to creatively operate? Am I able to be direct where I want it to be directed, my content, right? So we have to make sure to understand what the client wants, or how much important is YouTube for them. Obviously we have to provide growth, that is the main part, but understanding कि यार इतना push भी नहीं करना है if they are resisting or certain things, right? So their emotional comfort is the key to long term retention. If you have to retain them for a long time, you have to make sure it is not always growth focus, growth focus, growth focus. Some videos or some things should be like, okay, the client wants to do it, let me give him an opportunity to do it, right? That is it.